Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Vanguard League of Legends. We'll start by checking basic system health. Ensure your operating system and graphics drivers are fully updated, as outdated components often cause conflicts. Always launch the League of Legends client as an administrator. This prevents many common permission-related errors that stop Vanguard from initializing correctly. After checking updates, a simple computer restart can clear temporary glitches affecting Vanguard. Next, confirm your internet connection is stable. A fluctuating connection can disrupt Vanguard's communication with game servers. Finally, use the League of Legends client's built-in repair tool. This can fix corrupted game files that might be interfering. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation: fueling your long gaming sessions is key. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks fresh and organized. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. If basic steps fail, a clean reinstall of Vanguard is often necessary. First, uninstall Riot Vanguard through your computer's control panel. Then, manually delete any leftover Vanguard folders in your program files to ensure a complete removal. Finally, reinstall League of Legends. This will automatically install a fresh, uncorrupted version of Vanguard. Your security software can sometimes block Vanguard. Add Riot Vanguard to your firewall's exception list to allow its network access. If problems persist, temporarily disable your antivirus program to see if it's causing a conflict. Remember to re-enable it afterward. Also, close any unnecessary background applications that might interfere.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.